This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse. Welcome to your very own piece of paradise in this former model home located in the desirable Madison Estates. This exquisite 3,597 square feet, 5-bedroom, including 2 luxurious primary suites and 2 laundry rooms, 4.5 bath home with an oversized 2-car garage is nestled on a sprawling 1.04-acre lot with picturesque landscape. The open concept layout seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating an ideal space for entertaining and everyday living with engineered hardwood throughout the main level. Large windows flood the interior with natural light and provide breathtaking views of the adjacent horse farm. As you enter from the covered wraparound porch, you will find a spacious formal dining room, perfect for hosting gatherings and special occasions. To the side, a sophisticated office with charming French doors provides a quiet space for productivity and creativity. The heart of the home is the beautifully designed gourmet eat-in kitchen with oversized island boasting granite countertops, stainless appliances, farmhouse sink, propane cooktop, water filter faucet, built-in oven and microwave, over-the-stove pot filler, built-in wine rack and ample cabinet storage, ensuring you have all the space you need for your culinary endeavors. The custom stone, propane fireplace serves as the centerpiece of your living space, offering views that seamlessly connect the expansive back deck. Display books or family photos in the built-in bookcases. The main level primary bedroom features tray ceilings and dual closets. The ensuite bathroom includes dual vanities, a large custom tiled shower with glass enclosure, standalone soaking tub, and private water closet with linen closet. Completing the main level is a laundry room conveniently located outside the primary suite, making laundry day a breeze. A custom mini mudroom, complete with a charming bench and hooks, is perfect for stashing away shoes and bags after a busy day. Moving to the upper level, you will find the expansive, secondary primary bedroom featuring a 3-window dormer offering a one-of-a-kind view. The spa-like ensuite bathroom includes dual vanities with granite, custom tiled shower, water closet with linen closet and heated ceramic tile flooring that extend throughout the closet room. The expansive closet room boasts a sink, built-in refrigerator, washer and dryer and built-in shelving, perfect for keeping your wardrobe organized. Completing the upper level are 3 additional bedrooms, including an oversized bedroom with a walk-in closet, an ensuite bathroom and 2 bedrooms with a shared hall bathroom. Enjoy the ambience with the outdoor fireplace overlooking the deck, hardy board, featuring dual staircases leading to the tree-lined backyard, giving access to the neighborhood's nature trails. Easily store lawn equipment in the shed and under deck storage area.